Hey, this is Tom from Pinelands Nursery and the Native Plants Healthy Planet podcast. I'm here on our property, and I was out here this morning doing a little turkey hunting and just taking in all that spring and nature has to offer. One of the things I love most about turkey hunting is you're really waking up with the world in a way. And when we were leaving, I started noticing all these beautiful shrubby flowers that are out here. And I actually took a video, but it didn't come out the best, so I came back out here to take another video to kind of show you what I saw. One of the ones that I saw was this black haw, or Viburnum prunifolium. And this one's about to bloom. There's some others that are out here that are going to bloom. Really cool plant. And we actually have a couple young plants here. You can see this one. We got another one over here. So we have a few of these that are on the property here right now. You can even see this one's got a little buck rub on it, so that's actually where a deer had rubbed it at one point, and then it's scarred over and regenerated. Another plant that was out here that's really one of my favorites, and I'm hoping I can reach this branch to show you guys the flowers, is Cornus Florida, or flowering dogwood. So this is one of our native dogwoods, and just gets these really super awesome flowers, and you can see them all in the canopy there. And there's quite a few of these growing around too. You can probably see there's another one right there, right there. There's a few of these around here. Then the other one that's really cool that you see this time of year is you have some pink red buds that are in the back there. You'll probably be able to see that those are ones that were actually planted there. They aren't naturally occurring. But one of the things we also found was this. And that is a Japanese barberry that is actually been growing here, it looks, for a decent amount of time. Not native here, it's actually an invasive plant. And what would have happened is someone had it in their yard, and basically a bird would have eaten one of the berries, and the seed ended up here, and this is where the seed germinated and it started to grow. And there's really not a lot that's gonna outcompete it. We're here in New Jersey, we have a lot of deer pressure, and this is something that deer don't like to eat. And they do like to eat a lot of the native plants. And as you can see, if you just kind of look at the forest floor here, there's really not a lot in that middle area. You have some of these taller shrubs like the Viburnum I showed you in the Cornish, Florida. And basically all the branches that were low enough had been eaten. You have the tree canopy. You have a little bit of ground cover. There's some spring beauties and some violets and some other stuff that's down there. Some kind of carex that I wasn't able to figure out what it was. But there's not a lot in between. And this is one of the things that we're going to try and work on this year to help regenerate some of this middle layer. So, because it benefits so many species. It benefits deer, but it also benefits turkeys and quail and songbirds and all kinds of different stuff. So we're actually going to be doing some a little bit of thinning and then planting as well to introduce some other really cool native species to this area that'll be beneficial to all kinds of things, not even just some of our more well-known animals, but a lot of our insects as well, because they need to do the pollination and feed off of those plants as well. So just wanted to come back out here and show you guys this is some pretty cool stuff, and we're lucky to have it here at Pinelands Nursery. So thank you.